Basically, the schemes which are there for small and medium enterprises, they come under that NMCP scheme of Government of India, that is National Manufacturing Competitiveness Program. The objective of that scheme or the program is to enhance the capacity and capability of the small and medium enterprises, which today are contributing a lot in the not only the development of the country, but also contributing substantially to the GDP of the country.
This lean activity started by like National Productivity Council Mumbai, Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprise Delhi, and MCCI.
We were invited by MSME for a meeting in Marada Chamber, and we were appraised by NBC about this lean cluster initiative.
This is a MSME sponsored special program meant for small and medium industry.
From your organization chart, if you look at that, where are the functional gaps or the missing functions in your organization, it starts to that, and of course 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S and 5S is the backbone of lean. Like now I am not worried about customers coming to me. Whenever they come, they are most welcome. There is no advanced preparation for audits of any customer. With all these initiatives and changes in my organization, right from 5S implementation of OMPM plan, how to bring down the breakdown, how to bring down your inventory levels, and how to feed the customer line on time. We were lagging in OTD with most of our customers, and now I am proud to say that we are always having 95 plus OTD.
During this entire 18 months journey, we have learned a lot of things like 5S, red tagging activities, zoning, subzoning, roles and responsibility delegation, then improvements through various set-on arrangements, stand and work environment, various types of displays on the shop floor, then various types of material handling, trolleys, trays, etc.
Started. Actually, I would say 22 years ago when I started my entrepreneurship, this is the second or third most important turning point in my entrepreneurship career. Me and my team never noticed that this is going to be so much of long journey.
काफ़ी सारा प्लांट लेआउट हमने चेंज किया। हमको ये भी पता नहीं था कि प्लांट लेआउट कैसे बनाया जाता है। लीन के थ्रू हमको ये पता चला कि प्लांट लेआउट में लाइक हर एक स्टेप गिनना होता है, वर्कर लोगों का मूवमेंट गिनना होता है कि हाउ मनी स्टेप्स दे वॉक पर डे, एंड उसका अगर हम लोग साल भर का एस्टिमेट निकालते हैं और 2 साल का निकालते हैं या फिर टोटल हम लोग निकालते हैं, तो हमको पता चलता है कि कितना सारा अनवांटेड मूवमेंट हम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं इसके पीछे। लेवल पे डॉक्टर रॉय ने हमको सबसे पहले स्टॉक्स के बारे में बताया कि स्टॉक्स का आप एक लिस्ट बनाओ। एक स्टॉक का लिस्ट बनाने के बाद में हमको फिर बताया गया कि आप इसका वैल्यूएशन डालो एंड इसको बाइफरकेट करो कि साल भर पहले का स्टॉक कितना है एंड करंट स्टॉक कितना है। आई एम सरप्राइज कि मुझे तभी पता चला कि ये जो स्टॉक मेरे पास है, आई एम होल्डिंग मोर देन 70 लाख रुपीज स्टॉक एज अ डेड स्टॉक। ये लीन का हमें काफ़ी अच्छा फ़ायदा हुआ है। हमारा प्लांट लेआउट अच्छा हो गया, हमारा लाइक हर एक लोगों का सिक्योरिटी गेट से लेके सारे मेरे तक लोगों का एक जो माइंड सेट होता है वो चेंज हो गया।
and which is monitored by National Productive Council. They come, they audit, they see your phase by phase implementation, and they also give the audit marks, only after which you are able to go to the next phase.
We had a wonderful experience of 1.5 years journey. We learned a lot of things, and we had a lot of improvements in our company. Then safety was improved on the shop floor. We changed the layout of our factory and even the ergonomic into consideration. And we are proud to tell that Godrej has awarded us the best supplier having the best safety practices. And, Dr. Roy would take trainings at the Maratha Chambers office, and then there was a follow-up session by his team member. So what was happening, the things which we were learning in the classrooms, those were again follow-up was taken by the team of Joyful Workplaces. It was monitored that the implementation is happening in the shop floor. So this was the key factor due to which I joined this course.
And I am proud to say that after this journey of say 18 months, my company has undergone a sea change. Now I am poised to go into the export market with all these initiatives and changes in my organization. I mean that this is a good initiative by MSME.
I'll again give my special thanks to MSME, NPC and Joyful Workplaces team, and not to forget MCCI.
I request all my colleague CEOs that to be a part of Lean initiative, and it is really going to help you bring a sea change in your organization, a sea change in your thinking, a sea change in thinking of your employees, and change in their approach towards work.
And as a result, all of us, our cluster members have decided to go further into the next year of the Lean program. Thank you so much.